Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. We're actually going to be taking a look at an all-in-one. The all-in-one that we're going to be taking a look at is the Inspiron One 3505. This is an all-in-one Dell computer, as you guys can see here. Now, there's two things that's wrong with it. One, obviously, is the leg. See this leg? This is fine. This leg is actually broken. Somebody ended up actually dropping this and broke the leg. The other thing is that when it dropped, it also messed up the hard drive, so we have to replace the hard drive, and we have a brand new Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive that we're going to put into this machine. So the hardest thing about working on an all-in-one is actually taking it apart, and hopefully we can catch some of that, some of those details in this video for you. So I was actually looking around, and the only screws that I was able to find exteriorly is these two screws down here by the leg bezel or the leg part. So we're going to take those out and then try to pry the back open.
Once you have removed the two screws on the bottom, all you have to do is push up on the back of the machine and it should release the entire back piece. This would allow you to pick it up and remove it from the system. The next step is to remove the 4 screws that are holding in the assembly for the legs. This is pretty easy. There's one long screw on each side, and then there is a short screw right a little bit above those, more towards the middle of the system. Once all 4 screws are removed, you should easily be able to lift up on the part and remove it. So the next step is to remove the hard drive. The hard drive caddy is held on by 2 screws. Go ahead and loosen those 2 screws and slide the caddy over. This will allow it to be released, and the next step is then to just unplug the hard drive. Alright, we're almost done. Now the next step is to go ahead and switch the hard drives out. Now the caddy has 4 screws in it, holding in the hard drive in place. There are 2 larger screws, and then there are 2 smaller screws. You have to remove all 4 for the caddy to release the hard drive. After you have done that, just go ahead and place the new hard drive back the same way you took out the previous one, and then put back in the screws. Alright, good job everyone. Now, we're at the end here. We have to put everything back where we found it. So, remember, if there's one screw missing, you've done it wrong. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Alright, as you guys saw, it was actually a very easy process. Hopefully this actually helped a few of you and showed you that it's not as hard as they make it seem. So, if you like the video, please share, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Anything would help. Thank you guys again for watching.